Hello, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio, and we're fixing to announce the winner of week 9 of our Rider Build-Off competition. We're giving away $250 every week in honor of that 250th anniversary of the United States of America. And we're going to tell you more about who won this week, specials we have for the month of May, and how you can be the winner next week. So continue to watch. All right, so I want to start by telling you about the specials we have going on for the month of May at Volunteer Audio. First off, all of our Kenwood motorcycle audio is on sale. Whether that be an amp or speakers or even a 2-speaker or 4-speaker system, you're going to find they're all on sale at Volunteer Audio for the month of May. We also have that Velocity compression horn loaded speaker system also on sale. You're going to get an 1100 watt amp, front speakers, rear speakers, matching front grills, cutting kit, hydrophobic cloth to go over the speakers, and all the wiring fully plug and play. It's normally $2,800 for $14.99. It's a crazy deal. It's a limited time. We have very few systems left at that price, and when they're gone, they're gone. Don't forget about our Kenwood motorcycle camera. That HD camera with front and rear cameras, you're going to want that for riding season to capture those moments when you're riding through beautiful areas, but also if you were getting in an accident, you want to be able to prove who's at fault. Those cameras were originally $450, are only $150 right now. And I think the biggest thing going, here's a bike a customer brought us. We just did the installation on it. He'll be picking it up later today. I would love to have you come in and let us do an install for you. If you buy a Hertz or Cicada stage system, one of our plug and play systems, we're doing 50% off your labor if it's bought and booked in the month of May. That means you're going to save up to $500 on your labor. So give us a call. We'll go over that with you. You could also get an additional $250 toward that just by entering into this competition we have going for our Rider Build of the Week. We just want to know more about you, your story, your bike, the build you want to do in 2026. And listen, there's not a lot of people doing this correct, so if you follow the rules and the directions, you have a very high probability of winning this one week. If you've entered before and not won, don't worry. Most of the people that have won have done this multiple weeks, and you do have to enter every week. So I'll go over those details a little bit more later, but now I want to get to this week's winner. All right, so this week's winner, his name is Kent Griggs. He has a 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide, and let me tell you a little bit more about his story so you know what we're looking for when you share. I want to know about you and your bike. Kent says, I've got a 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. I've got a Volunteer Audio Hertz A to B 4-speaker system. He says the saddlebag speakers weren't done at the time of the pictures that we're showing on his bike. He's put chrome replicator wheels on it, a LaPera tail whip seat, Thrash and Supply T-bars, along with a bunch of Thrash and Supply parts. I've got their floorboards on my CVOST, and I love the Thrash and parts, so good to go there. Olin suspension on the rear and GP suspension on the front. ARP bolts throughout and an SE511 cam with a Bassani Road Rage shorty pot. Sounds like you already have a pretty amazing build from performance to the audio. I'm sure it sounds great with that exhaust as well. He says, I enjoy customizing my bike to increase performance, safety, and aesthetics. Audio is also very important to me, and the team at Volunteer Audio has been awesome to work with. I do a lot of touring on my bike. In the last 15 months, I've been to 23 states plus Canada on this bike solo. I prefer riding alone so I can do my own thing at my own pace. More motor work will be my next upgrade, but always interested in making the audio even better. Well, Kent, we hope to be able to help you with that. And for all of you watching, I just got a couple weeks till I'll probably be able to show you that drop-in subwoofer solution with the Hertz subwoofers. It's going to be a sub that can be taken in and out of the bag. So you gain the bass that you've been wanting, but you don't have to permanently lose that space. So on those short rides, maybe you're going to bike night, riding around town, keep both of your subwoofers in, have amazing bass. Longer ride where you need one bag, take one out. You have that bag free for your belongings. And on those long trips, just take them both out. Simple solution to add bass, but still have that space when it's critically needed. That's coming soon. The $250 store credit can be used toward any future upgrade. And I was also thinking about your need possibly for that Kenwood camera. You're riding alone. You're not going to have anybody there to witness if something happens. You're in an accident, something goes down. You want some proof beyond just your word against theirs. The camera system would be a great option also. But listen, Kent, you did a great job. You followed the directions. You shared pictures of your bike. You told us about what you have done, what you want to continue to do. And you also went on our website and you posted and gave us your contact information, so I'll be able to call you later and let you know you won and give you that credit. Now, if you want to enter, it's really simple. All you have to do is share this video. So you're going to click the little share link on Facebook, share it publicly on your Facebook. That's something a lot of people are missing out on because you have to share our post. You're going to tell other people about it. More people are going to see it. It's going to allow more people to enter, and that's the whole idea. Instead of us paying Facebook to advertise and get in front of you, we want to give you that money, and it's simple and it's free to you. Comment below, share what you want to do to your bike, share pictures of your bike. Share this post publicly on Facebook, and then go to volunteeraudio.com. There's a tab at the top, a form you fill out with your name, your phone number. You drop the pictures of your bike, copy and paste that story there again, and give us a link to your social media share. So just take a screenshot of the share and pop it in there. So there's two places, a place for your share, a place for your bike photos. Do both because it allows us to put your bike photos up on screen like we just did with Kent. And it also allows us to tell your story. And we want to know more about you. We love this industry. We love our riders. We love upgrading these audio systems and accessorizing the bikes. Let's share with each other what we've done, how we've done it, and let's help people do even more as we move into the year. Volunteer Audio is just getting started. We have given away now, this will be $2,250 to people on their upgrades, and we got a lot of year left. Coming into the 4th of July week, we're going to do an even bigger giveaway. We'll announce more then, but every week you want to enter. Enter again, enter again. It's free, it's simple. Copy and paste what you did last week. Share your story, share your photos, and I want to be able to tell people that you won next week or the week after or the week after. Just continue to submit. I'm sure you'll get in there. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget about those sales we have going on in the month of May. Let's get that system bought. Let's get an appointment set if you want us to do the install. I'd love to meet you, and continue to put in for our Rider Build of the Week giveaway. You're going to win if you just follow the directions and are consistent with it. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.